Right, time for some guitar. This is my Fred Noad solo guitar playing, Volume 1, 4th edition. So if you've got a different edition, it might differ number. It might differ a little bit in the exercise numbers. But we're going to go into technique practice from exercise 55 on page 42. So we're going to do 55, 56 and 57. Now exercise 55 starts out by saying the ring finger is introduced. To avoid awkward string crossing, follow the right hand fingering exactly. Now if you don't have the book, there's a link down below. It's an affiliate link to Amazon, which will give me a little something if you decide to buy the book. And I'm going to timestamp the exercises so you can jump forward and back, which I do with all of these videos now on the playlist, and I'm intending to continue to go through the book. So if you would like to join me, that would be amazing. Now I've had a quick run through this, and the thing I did first of all was to get the tune in my head, because I couldn't read the notation and the fingering at the same time. So now I've got the tune in my head, I'm going to work on the fingering, and I'll be honest with you, it's a little tricky. So let's see how we get on. Exercise 55. See, I'm not finding that this fingering comes naturally to me, and because this is in the book as technique practice, I think that's kind of the point of this exercise. So I'm trying not to follow my years-long ingrained technique, because, you know, I never had a teacher, so I never learned technique properly, so I'm trying really hard to follow these fingerings. See, it's thrown me off the notes. There's the tune. Right, let's have a go. That's the tricky bit there. That's the thing I should practice a bit more often, perhaps daily, until I get it nice and smooth. So that's what I would recommend to you. Exercise 56. Remember to place all the fingers on the strings before starting the arpeggio exercise. When the thumb plays I, M and A, remain in position. When I plays M and A, remain in position until their turn to play. If this seems unclear, refer to the section on arpeggio practice on page 60. Okay, so we've got a low A. When thumb plays the I, so yeah, okay. Straightforward enough. Exercise 57. For the arpeggio in exercise 57, only the thumb and ring finger are placed in position before starting. So it's the same note, it's just played in a different order. Straightforward enough. So that takes us to the end of that chapter or lesson. So that's the end of lesson 6. In the next video we're going to move on to lesson 7. So come and join me for that, and I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.